Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're hunting for the best Samsung 5G phone that's factory unlocked and ready to go, you just found it. Say hello to the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, a powerful international model that combines performance, style, and connectivity in one sleek package. Let's dive into everything you need to know about this feature-packed smartphone. At first glance, the Galaxy A16 5G impresses with its minimalist design and stunning light gray finish. The phone features a large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors, deep contrast, and crisp details. With a full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, whether you're browsing, streaming, or gaming, everything feels fluid and immersive. The screen-to-body ratio of around 86% gives it a modern, edge-to-edge feel that's perfect for content consumption. On the back, the Galaxy A16 5G sports a dual-camera setup with a main 50-megapixels wide-angle lens and a 2-megapixels macro lens. The 50-megapixel shooter captures sharp, vibrant images even in lower light, thanks to its f1.8 aperture and fast autofocus. Whether you're taking wide landscape shots or zooming in on close-up details with the macro lens, this phone is ready for creative photography. On the front, a selfie camera ensures you're covered for video calls and social media snaps. Under the hood, the A16 5G is powered by an efficient 2.4 GHz octa-core processor paired with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. It's well optimized for multitasking and daily usage, allowing you to jump between apps with minimal lag. You also get expandable storage, perfect for keeping all your photos, videos, and files in one place. This phone runs on Android, giving you access to the latest apps and security updates. Connectivity is where the A16 5G shines. It supports a wide range of 5G and 4G LTE bands, including global and US networks. It's compatible with AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile in the US, as well as GSM carriers globally. While it's not compatible with Xfinity and Spectrum, users on MVNOs like Metro, Mint, Visible, and Cricket can activate it by registering the IMEI with their provider. Dual SIM support also makes it ideal for travelers and business users who juggle multiple numbers. Powering it all is a massive 5000 mAh non-removable battery, ensuring all-day performance even with heavy usage. And when it's time to recharge, the 25W wired fast charging support gets you back to full in no time. Whether you're on the move or working remotely, this phone keeps up with your lifestyle without slowing you down. To sum it up, the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is a smart, budget-friendly choice for anyone looking for a reliable unlocked phone with top-tier features. A gorgeous display, strong camera setup, broad 5G support, and powerful battery make it a standout in its price range. Though it doesn't come with a power adapter in the box, it delivers on everything else you'd expect from a solid mid-range Samsung device. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest breakdowns of the latest tech. See you in the next video.